If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to get the ringtone from a third-party app that allows us to get the ringtone. So I'm gonna use the search option here at the bottom, then we can use the search field at the top, and we can type iPhone ringtone. There we go. Now in here we should be able to find many apps that at least in theory should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. Let's say I'm gonna choose this app over here, I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to get the iPhone ringtone based on this app. However, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or it doesn't work for you. So we're gonna open the app. Of course you might see an ad in the meantime, so just be aware of that. Now we need to grant all the necessary permissions to let the app change the ringtone for us. Over here we can press the play button in order to have a little preview of the ringtone in order to try to find the one that we actually wanted to use. Once you find it, tap on the three dots on the right side, and then in here we can choose the ringtone option. There is another ad, so let's wait to skip it. And then we should be able to see this information that we have set the ringtone successfully. So just to confirm, we can go to settings. Over here I'm gonna now go to sound and vibration and we can adjust the ringtone volume. And yes, the ringtone has been changed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.